Go to show this time. Go show everyone.
Oh wow, wow, look.
Go show everyone. Lace.
Lace.
If you want to be happy like me, don't eat these lace. You will be fat and ugly. Stop eating lace.
But
Let's
this
go.
is nice.
I will show you what you need to eat. Here, if you have a decision which one to choose this one because it costs cheaper than this one and it's more healthier. But it doesn't taste the same. So we'll put this away. Let's go find to drink some. You can choose this old bottle Coke. Which is nice.
Yeah.
Looks good, but this is not what we're looking for.
I
We're
think
looking
they
for
should-
orange juice.
I think they should have the orange juice somewhere in the fridge.
Here's the whole section of orange, not only orange juice. Here. Do you think it's good juice or not?
Yeah.
It says 100% something. 100% natural juice. Okay, we have it. We can go. Skittles. When I was a kid, I eat a lot of Skittles and my teeth go bad. Let's put the teeth brokers inside.
Ooh, what is this?
Very nice
Show
package.
us. 2 Snickers.
Please recycle. Or just burn it. Just burn it. Bounty, my mom's favorite. Even 3 eggs. 3 eggs. You can eat 3 times or just 3 in one time.
Let's get this.
You want? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. You can support your mom instead of buying this. You can buy tuk-tuk for your mom to go home instead of this. Then your mom not need to lose legs on the way back. This is gold. This is gold. We have Kinder Surprise. I was looking for this so long. In Kampot you cannot find this stuff. Let's get multiple. Let's get this one. Let's get this one. We will have 3 kinds. I think it's enough. 3 kinds is enough.
I think we should go home.
We should go home?
Yeah.
Let's go home.